folks, I have a really cool little Scout uke today. These are just the little soprano scale instruments I make from shop scraps. And this one was actually designed by my son Henry. He picked out all the parts from the parts bin for this one. And just FYI, I'm probably not going to be making many Scouts coming up in the next few months. I've got a hand procedure coming up, and so I'm going to be having to compress some of my work. And Scouts might be left by the wayside for a while. But we'll be back to it eventually. Anyway, this one has got a beautiful walnut back and sides. Little sapwood in the walnut there. Tiny little bird's foot purfling end graft. It's got a curly Orford cedar top. Red cedar neck. And then this is walnut here. This is oak with walnut. And then the body's bound with oak. So the trim is all kind of a mixture of oak and walnut, and it came out really cool. Yeah, and also on this one I'm using a set of these little Grover geared tuners instead of the usual Goto ones, and they're about the same weight as the Goto ones, and it's kind of, they just work really good too. It's kind of got a classic look to them. So yeah, so then I matched the nickel finish on everything. So yeah, this is a kind of a unique little Scout for us. So yeah, it turned out nice. So this is $8.92, and it's going out to the Scout list today. So cheers, thanks a lot.